Hey guys, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Bard the Bowman battle from the Hobbit and the Battle of the Five Armies. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get right into this. About 18 inches tall. That was my battery. And I think everybody had, I don't know for sure, but from the Hobbit, like, if anybody's like Bard the Bowman, the guy was really good at acting him, so. There we go. Let's see what we got here. And we got the base. That's a cool base. Very, very cool. One at a time here. Show you here. Very nice. And let's see here. Okay. That's his bow. Oh, I see. I think I better stand up for this. Oh yeah, there we go. And is that the right way there? Okay guys, I figured out what I was doing wrong. He was more of a different angle than I had him, so and then we put his hand back on with the bow, and then we put that into his two fingers, and then here we're going to and the bow just, or the arrow just rests in there ever so slightly. I don't know if I can get close-ups here or not. I might show you. Here, I might angle the camera a little bit better for you guys there. Or drop this. One sec here. I don't know if you can see that a bit better. Oh. There we go. Now he's angled a little bit better there. You can see him there. And just turn this around here. Very, very cool piece. Again, like I said, he's one of my favorite characters in the Hobbit. Very, very cool. He looks out for other people. He's not selfish or anything. So he's like, he should be, well, he becomes the leader of Lake Town and everything. So like, he's all for the people and all that, right? So very, very cool piece. And I will show you Bard the Bowman in his place, but where I'm gonna be setting them up and everything. But I'll show you a little bit more close-ups here, where you can see him here a little bit better. So I'm gonna do a few close-ups here now. Just look at all the textures on that. Such a cool piece. And then all his arrows and his quiver and all that. Such a cool piece. And then here's his so cool. One more that way. So cool. Yeah, very, very cool piece, and it's one of my best statues in my collection. And yeah, I just love it, and it's just an awesome piece. Just an awesome piece. This is the spot where I'm going to have them. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.